My name is Natwar Singh Rajawat from Rajasthan. Today I cooked the 10 kg lal mas. It's the authentic, real, the very legendary dish of the Rajasthan lal mas. First of all, we take the pan and put the oil inside. About 10 kg to about 2 liter maybe oils. And after we heat the pan and oil is hot, and after we add the onion till about brown. Then I cook the my lamb, wash and put inside and like buna. And then we add the all masala spices like mathania, red chilli, degi mirch also, salt, pepper, turmeric powder, and then add some yogurt. And then finish that and garnish with the green coriander also. That's it. All add in a right. Come and enjoy my lal mas.